Truth of the matter is, there's quite a few things I don't know about you.
What the fuck are you even saying?
I don't know. Who are you?
What do you mean, fuck?
You've been lying to me, Viv. Been doing some checking around town with a few friends. Seem they all have questions about you.
Well, it's a big fucking town.
And I got a lot of friends. You've been evasive ever since we met. I've been a fool not to see it. Where do you go when you leave here? There's been times I wanted to talk to you about my day, your day, something, anything. Even just say hello. But I can't. Because I wasn't able to find you. What are you hiding, Viv?
Well, my intentions were never to deceive you.
Then,
I mean, there may be some things you don't know about me.
try me.
Fucking bastard.